welcome to in our Tejasty channels, and today we learn how to register and open an account on UIGS. So just open this Google and just type the UIGS. After that we see in this window, just click on the Earth Explorer and we reach this UIGS official window. So here we see this whole interface of UIGS Earth Explorer. Now we just click on this login button, and after click on this login button, we reach to our this sign in option and here we see this create new account. Just click on that. After click on this create new account, we reach this new window and here type the username with the user requirements. Just mention in this right. Same for this password, mention, and by using password requirement just continue with that. And here we see in what sector you work. So here I am selecting this general publics and select first two option which I am already used for the data, and here I am selecting yes because I already use this UIGS data, and here with 50% data will be accessible to agree with that. So next, here I'm already used this data for this land use land cover purposes. That's why I'm here selecting land use land cover and just click on that. So this all remaining option which you want now, just tick on that and we go to next steps. Okay, so here I'm only selecting water resource and we move to next. In next I'm selecting the most of data because I'm using this most of data for this distribute to others. That's why I'm selecting this most of data, and we select the sum of important. Next step and click on submission. The next we see this first name, then last name, company name, address. This is the personal information which we fill here. So here just take one important thing, just mention your correct mail ID because at the time of the submissions we get this confirmation mail on our registered mail ID which we mention here. So just be carefully mention your mail ID. After doing that, just retype this mail ID and just mention your telephone number and submit, save and contact information. After click on that, we reach here this new windows, and here we see our contact information and geographic information. Just check it and click on the submit registrations. After click on that, our registration is successfully sent to your mail. So this is the confirmation of this our registrations. So you can just open your mail and check your inbox because this mail will be get in the 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so just wait for the 2 or 3 minutes and we will get our mail, confirmation mail from this UIGS. So here we see now this mail ID is open and just I'm refreshing this inbox and we wait for this confirmation mail. After getting confirmation mail, just click on that and just click on this confirmation link. Okay, so I'm here click on confirmation mail and this link will be seen here. So just click on this link and we will successfully register with your UIGS website. So here mentioning your username for your confirmation last steps, and we mention this username in your mail. Okay, so just copy this your username and just put in your registration confirmation windows. So here I'm put this our username and submit. So here I'm successfully login with UIGS with register. So here we see user successfully confirmed, means our registration is successfully confirmed here. Now we put our user registration ID, username and the password. So be carefully put your password which we mentioned in the registration steps and just click on the sign in. After click, we see in this new window this username and our personal information and geographic information. So now we are just again we open this Earth Explorer, and here we right corner seen this is our registration name, registration user ID, and this is the whole interface of UIGS Earth Explorer. Now we can access this satellite data from this UIGS. We can download the satellite images from this UIGS. Thanks for watching my video, and next video we seen how to download this image from UIGS. So please subscribe my channel Tejas Teach for the more information related our GIS and the remote sensing. So subscribe my channel Tejas Teach and hit the bell icon.